Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we're cooking out of Be a Plant-Based Woman Warrior cookbook. Yeah, warrior indeed. And we're making 3 goddesses salad. And I want to just read our description because I love it so much on this one. Greens rule this salad for different reasons. Kale is Athena, the battle strategist, fighting free radicals, inflammation, and disease with her thick, protective skin. Romaine is Isis. Hey,
I'm cutting her a little.
Romaine is Isis, the magical protector of women and children, always fresh no matter how long she's been in your fridge, and her taste appeals to kids. Napa cabbage, Carradine, you can't see that way. Carradine is the shapeshifter, ready for whatever is needed. It can be raw or cooked, or on top, or on bottom, or layered, or mixed in, or throughout. So take comfort in serving this salad with its protective pantheon of phytochemicals and flavors. Use baritone dressing, or Kraus lemon dressing, or the dressing we're going to do at the end, which is our walnut horseradish dressing. Okay, so we are in the middle of preparing all these amazing greens for the 3 goddesses salad. And there was so much chopping, we didn't want to just be chopping and not chatting.
Jane, you can't do that because I have to chop.
So we have one of them already chopped, one of them partially chopped, and we're doing the other things that are in the salad. This salad's got kale in it. Will you help me strip some kale, Mommy?
Well, I have such an important job here.
You do, but we have to strip kale first, if you don't mind. And we have to show them, because people often need to you teach them how to do this. So they need to become what?
Strippers.
There you go. Strip, and the center spine comes right out. And once the spine is out, you're ready to go. Do not buy kale that's been chopped up and put into a bag, because all you're eating, or trying to eat, is the spine, and it's inedible. So.
Well, it's not. There's no problem with this spine. You can cut it up and cook it, and then put it in your salad or put it in your soup.
Or just give it the really good chance of going into your compost, and let your compost take care of it.
Dogs love those stems.
They do, but we're gonna compost ours here. Okay, so then I'm gonna take my kale and chop it up. You've got your knife. Did you not take a tumble?
Yeah, my knife fell. Well, this is a little knife.
Here, I'm gonna wipe it up. So this salad it's enormous because you have all these different greens in there, but it's just feeds a ton of people, and you want to eat a ton of it because it has so many different textures and flavors. I like chopping the kale up so it actually can be eaten and swallowed. If someone gives me a salad with this size kale leaves, I don't even enjoy the salad. It's too big to eat. It's got to be, torn into really small pieces like that, or chopped up, or cooked. And for me, and how do you feel about kale? How do you like to have it? How do you like to eat it?
I like it in tiny pieces, or massaged, or cooked.
And when we massage kale, I think we've done the kale ceviche salad. Wade, can you fly that in the kale ceviche salad? If we've done it. If we haven't done it, I'm glad it came up. I think we've done it though, because we only ate that for a long time.
I please hope that everybody will notice this very finely chopped green onions. I rarely chop them so finely, and I'm doing a finely chopped job now.
I agree, that's been finely done. I asked her, I said, could you do the green onions, but could you do them like 1/3 the size you usually do? Because she usually does it you're biting.
Jane.
I'm not being critical. I'm just observing.
I know.
So then this is a romaine.
You like little ones.
And romaine, I sometimes do the romaine like in half just so it gets, and then it's so fun and easy to chop the whole head as it is, and you just go down as far as you want. And sometimes it gets kind of crispy and a little bit dirty down there.
My hand is exhausted from doing this finely chopped.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm going to go for bigger at the green end. What do you think?
You can, I stop by then usually.
Oh my gosh, I love the green end.
So do I.
It's ridiculous.
Okay, and here's a huge bowl.
And it adds such color.
It does, and I know you're all about the color. I am too. I've totally adopted that from you.
Hang on.
No, you can keep going. I just want to start loading it in. So these 3 goddesses in this salad are just amazing protectresses. And in they go because there's so many
May
other
I put
things.
mine in so I can do the celery,
Yeah.
my green onions?
Yeah, there you go. Can you put in the other stuff too, the other greens? Thank you. Just the whole thing. So we've got Napa cabbage, purple cabbage, romaine. Here's the other romaine. And
To come, celery.
the reason I put celery out, it's not in the recipe. I wanted to show you can put whatever you want in this salad. I mean, right now, we're kind of following the guidelines, but whenever you make a salad, you're really kind of using whatever you have. You don't have to follow, like we think, we don't have to follow the rules. We don't
Do you
like
like
to follow
celery
the rules.
skinny chopped, or may I do a little
No,
chunky?
that's great. That's great. Okay, so then the other things in this salad, besides the three goddesses, kale, romaine, and
Don't
Napa
you love
cabbage.
Jane's three goddesses?
And I wish Cryle was here, because then we'd have three generations and three goddesses. Oh, Cryle! Okay, so we have kale, romaine, Napa cabbage, and then we have purple cabbage, which is in here, mixed in already. We added in cucumbers. I just threw those in, cucumbers. We like the little cucumbers lately, these little Turkish cucumbers, I think they're called. And that celery was just a bonus addition. And then after all this, we add in the sorts of things that help women and goddesses especially, is I like to add some form of vitamin C, because when you eat vitamin C with the food, not like after or before you have a meal, but with the food of a meal, it helps mobilize iron in your blood. So many of us women who've lived through all these fertile years, you want to keep that iron in your blood. So I love adding. These are mandarin or clementines or mandarin oranges. Oh, what were they? I think they're mandarins, and they were in their own juice. And also like to add blueberries. Blueberries are a superfood. I mean, any whole food is a superfood if you ask me. But these are also a great form of vitamin C, and they're really good for men down below the belt, which I'm totally comfortable talking about. But you know what I mean, down there, nether regions. And then on top of this, once it's been dressed, I like to add in toasted, I'm gonna go grab them. It might be a hot tray, so I'm gonna grab this. Toasted walnuts and or toasted papitas, toasted pumpkin seeds. So as you can see, I toast half, burn half, and then we eat a quarter. Like there, see, I knew it. But right now, before we dress this, we're gonna dress this and then add these on, because if you add these on now, they lose all this crispy, crunchy,
So you can
toastiness.
put that right here because it's a safe place.
Okay, it's still kind of hot. So can you hear those? Wade, can you get up close and listen to those with your camera? He can get them with his camera.
Yeah, they're crackling.
Oh,
Yeah.
thought you were talking to me. I don't hear them.
Oh yeah.
Are they hearing?
Yeah, they're crackling. Can your camera pick it up? That's great. So they're cooling down and crisping. So we're going to pause here and say that is our goddess. This is our goddess salad so far. It is undressed. So you can click below in the description to see the dressing we're going to make, which is I want to make sure I'm saying it right. It is the walnut horseradish dressing, and I'm saying it right. But if you don't want to use that walnut horseradish dressing, please use baritone dressing. We can fly that in. Or
Any dressing of your choice.
Any
really.
dressing of your choice, actually. We've got numerous ones we can suggest, but we're going to do walnut horseradish on this in a hot second.
Jane, this is just a most gorgeous, healthy, everlasting
To be
salad.
continued. Okay. We'll see you in a bit. Bye.
Bye.